We'll discuss how using a CRM can help you grow your client base and obtain sales with little effort on your part. So if this is your first time here, or even if you're returning, let me introduce myself. So I'm Tanisha Halstead, and I'm actually streaming from Middlesex, New Jersey. I am the founder and owner of Virtually Centered Solutions, and I was born in Jamaica, but raised here in the States. Many people don't know that. Fun fact. So if you've been around the channel for a while, I'm sure you've seen the videos where we do CRM automation, basically overviews, and we talk about the benefits and what a possible workflow could look like. So how this helps, and I'll link the videos below so that if you want to reference, you definitely can. But in today's discussion, one of the ways that you can allow the CRM to help you grow your client base and obtain sales is effectively creating a strategy of one, starting to build out your standard operating procedures and understanding the full life cycle of your client. And once you understand that, we can use those trigger points to then be able to create automated workflows. So say, for instance, now that client comes to your website and they decide that they see something that they like and they want to reach out to you. What's the process? Is it that they're booking a call? Is it that they're filling out a form? And is that form automatically being sent to your CRM, or is it being sent automatically to another form of contact collection that you're using? So nonetheless, the point of it is that having these systematic approaches can help you with your sales and give you a little less thing to overwhelm and worry about. So if you're on the channel and you're not quite sure where to start, we have a few different playlists currently. One of them is really a CRM overview for small business owners, and it'll walk you through different stages so that you can actually implement and move the needle forward. And also, we have different resources that are available at virtuallycenteredsolutions.com/freebies. I'll also drop these links below in the comments. If you like what you hear, please head on over to that subscribe button so you can be notified when new videos go live. Look forward to seeing you guys. All the best.